Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn juggling at home. We will start with the absolute basics, using just one ball. The key is to develop a consistent throw and catch. Practice tossing the ball in a gentle arc from one hand to the other, aiming for it to reach about eye level. Focus on smooth, controlled movements and catching the ball softly. This foundational step builds muscle memory and confidence for more complex patterns. Now let's move on to two balls. Hold one ball in each hand. Throw the first ball from your dominant hand, and as it reaches its highest point, throw the second ball from your other hand. The goal is to catch the first ball in the hand that just threw the second. This creates a continuous, rhythmic exchange. Repeat this motion many times to build coordination and timing. The three-ball cascade is the classic juggling pattern. Start with two balls in your dominant hand and one in your other. Throw the first ball from your dominant hand. As it peaks, throw the second ball from your non-dominant hand. Then, as the second ball peaks, throw the third ball from your dominant hand. This continuous exchange forms the cascade. Practice slowly, focusing on the rhythm. Here are some essential tips for your juggling journey. Practice over a bed or couch to avoid constantly bending down for dropped balls. Consistency is key, so aim for 15 to 20 minutes of practice each day. Prioritize accuracy and a steady rhythm before attempting to increase your speed. Remember, learning to juggle requires patience and persistence, but the reward of mastering it is truly satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.